I was working in DeVore and just doing normal framing. Was transitioning from a machine to the roof, and when I made my little jump transition, a piece of paper blew off the wall and right underneath my feet, and I fell down from there, shattering both my ankles. 2 weeks later, we had surgery to put them back together. 6 months later, they said, go have fun, see what you can do, and I couldn't hardly walk, couldn't do nothing still. I wasn't able to get up out of bed in the morning. I'd have to crawl to the bathroom. If anything happened with the kids, I couldn't chase them down. I have a 5-year-old now. She was 3 at the time, so. My entire life, everything changed. Yeah, I was totally a little bit skeptical. Like, they talked about yoga and they talked about dieting and they say breathing, and you start to imagine all these really just type of things that, normally I would be like, no, that's okay, I'm good. But it's like the yoga, but it's not real yoga. It's just kind of like more stretching and getting your body to move and getting you to identify certain muscles and stuff. Giving you the sense of capability again has helped a lot. And through this program, they've kind of not necessarily just addressed what was going on with my ankles and like that there was pain there, but just got me in touch with my entire body. Got me to start feeling the sensation of muscles that even you yourself probably forget you have to use. Physical therapy or anything that I had before this, I would have to literally take some pain pills, and it was just like torture, and it's not like that at all here. If I were to have my doctors cut my feet off, that's where I was at, because I was that depressed with where I was at and what I was not capable of doing anymore with my kids. Now I can see that I will get back. I won't be able to sprint, I won't be able to be the wide receiver on the Thanksgiving Day football game, but I can participate, I can be the quarterback, I can drive the jet boat, I can, do the things that are really important to me. Not NBA basketball, but through the other physical therapies and stuff that I've had, I've made a couple friends. When I've started and now we were all pretty much about the same level, I've progressed so much better to where they still have to go back and they just have doctors that keep wanting to cut them open and stuff like that. Whereas I keep telling them, you should stop that and pursue other methods. So it's gotten tremendously better. The experience down here overall is very enlightening. It's very refreshing. It's great to be down here and see people who may not be injured exactly like how you are, but they're struggling through it, and so you can have somebody that you're kind of like encouraging and they're encouraging you, and you can motivate each other. I can't think of anything bad to say about this place for anybody who's willing to try something that maybe they think is not for them. It's a lot of help.